Today I'm gonna confess that me and Astha Shah are together since 3 years. And hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Couple and couple.
And
What?
so then today's video is gonna be extremely saucy, juicy, and nothing of that sort. It's just gonna be very simple Q&A where we have just put in questions on our Instagram channel that जो भी तुम लोगों को पूछना हम लोगों को बिंदास पूछो, we'll be answering it. तू कुछ बोलने वाली है कि नहीं? कि सिर्फ ऐसा है हो करना है?
So cute.
मेरा दाढ़ी खींच रहा है हंसता.
Sorry. Okay, guys. So basically, we have just put an Instagram story, and we are told you all to ask us a few questions, and now we're just gonna answer all of them.
Let's go.
First question: will you shift to Mulund if you guys marry each other?
पहली बात मैरी, हाँ ब्लडी मैरी, हाँ मुलुंड तो बाद में, मुलुंड हो के अंधेरी हो क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Yeah.
Like whoever like you're getting married to.
Yeah, whoever I get married to, wherever he stays, I'll shift there only, of course.
Fair enough,
Like
fair
if he
enough.
stays in Hyderabad, I'll go to Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, yeah.
If he stays in Delhi, I'll go to Delhi.
हैदराबाद क्या था ये? हैदराबाद. Easy, खत्म, simple, finish. हैदराबाद.
Okay. Next question. Describe Jigar in 3 flirty words.
Let's go. I'm excited to know.
Astha, Astha, Astha. Laugh, that was funny.
Fuck all.
What to say, Jigar?
Be flirty, yeah.
Like what?
Like,
Sexy,
yeah, like.
sexy, cringy, and creepy. Flirty words: sensual, sexual, durable,
Durable?
edible,
Huh? This is still fine. Being naughty.
audible.
अभी सब बल वाले वर्ड सब बोल रही है क्या? हाँ?
How did you guys meet?
Okay, that's interesting.
No, see, basically, guys, the main thing is that Jigar had a lot of arrogance before, and he was basically dancing with a guy in some mall, and he had uploaded a video, and I told my dad that he's really cute, and I'll dance with him one day for sure. And I slid into his DMs.
Ooh, creepy.
He just chucked attitude and didn't reply to me. Kidding. He immediately replied to me, and since then we've just been collaborating. I think we started collaborating in 2021.
Yeah.
2021
Yes.
August we met. August we met.
Yes, August we met. Perfect.
Yeah.
But I was damn sweet. The time you messaged, I.
How sweet. Did you message me first?
तो भी उस पे करना है झगड़ा?
Why didn't you message me?
मुझे पता था कि आस्था रुकी है मेरे मैसेज के लिए.
You know, he used to tell me, he's like, I saw this one video of yours. After that only I started following you thinking you can dance. Otherwise he wouldn't have followed me. Say sorry first.
Sorry.
You should have messaged first.
Yeah, I should have messaged first. I should have thought that तेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं मैसेज करना चाहिए. But ठीक है, मेरी गलती थी. मैं ही गलत हूँ. हाँ, मैं गलत.
Now he's trying to create that Krish Kapoor look, you know. That's why he's looking a little different.
No, it's not that. It's just that since 5-6
तुम हो
days.
तो सब हासिल
I'm not shaved. I was too lazy.
तुम हो
And I think I wanna try like a different look now, like you know, long
But
hair.
don't you think he looks better, like clean shave?
Of course. Even I think.
Vote.
अभी क्या है ना, मैंने बाल भी सेट नहीं किया. आज मुझे ऐसा चाहिए था कि तुम लोग मेरा एक्चुअल सेल्फ देखो. Like this is what I am. है ना? I don't want to be like full time glam. Me, masa, banta, bachi, mama.
What do you like most about each other?
I'll go first.
Yeah.
The most important thing that one should have in life is how to manage time, and I think one should learn from Astha how to be particular, how to be organized in each and every segment. मतलब पढ़ाई तो छोड़ दो, पढ़ाई तो अभी है नहीं, बट हर एक चीज़ में आई एम सेइंग लाइक आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर. मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन में इसकी बात लगाऊंगा, बट ये क्वेश्चन में आई जस्ट कांट डिनाई लाइक ये वेरी पर्टिकुलर. ये स्क्रिप्ट था मेरा जो इसने को बोला था बोलने.
What do you like most about Jigar? The best thing I like about Jigar is that he is a family person and he's very caring. So whether it's like family, friends or whatever, he just equally cares about everyone, and he equally likes everyone, and he equally loves everyone, he equally does everything for everyone. And if you ever call him, like he's literally a phone call away. So I think that's the best thing about Jigar. What do you think?
परफेक्ट बोल दिया ब्रो.
ये भी तूने भी मुझे स्क्रिप्ट दिया था
नहीं
जिगर, ये
नहीं,
बोल
ये
दे.
तेरा एक्चुअल दिल से आया है, तेरा वाला स्क्रिप्ट था. Sorry, थोड़ा अभी एंगल चेंज हो गया.
Okay, next question. How long have you all been dating for?
There's no dating. There's no dating in this, I feel.
We
But
have
we can just say that we have
Good friends.
known each other like since
4 years.
4 years से तो we know each other, but like
2021 to 2025, but we started getting close in 2022.
22, yeah, 22 से like we have started properly talking.
Why are you blushing, bro?
डैडी में कुछ भी आ रहा है. Guys, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने ना बहुत नॉटी मैसेजेस भेज दिए हैं. Like ये मैं पढ़ना भी नहीं चाहता हूँ.
What's your idea of an ideal partner, and how would one really approach if he was interested in you? What is your idea of an ideal partner? What would you want in a girl?
Me?
Yeah. Don't say Asta yaar.
नहीं. Like I would just give like a very basic answer, you know, like जो सब लोग बोलते हैं loyal चाहिए थोड़ा. For me, I think loyalty is something obviously which will come at the first place, and then बाकी तो जैसे लड़कियां रहती है उन लोग का tantrums तो झेलना ही है, ऐसा कुछ बेसिक सिर्फ लड़की चाहिए और थोड़ी लॉयल चाहिए बस. बाकी जो भी है ठीक है, वो मैं एडजस्ट कर लूँगा उसके हिसाब से. That's my
For
basic thing.
me, what is an ideal partner? For me, I think, okay, I want someone who's a family person. I want someone who's focused in life.
ये फोकस वाला मेरा पॉइंट था, मैं बोलने ही वाला था, तूने अभी बोल दिया
I
यार.
want someone who's focused in life, and I just want someone who's loving and who just cares and who just constantly gives
Stop talking about me, okay, I got
constantly
it.
gives reassurance and you know is just like there all the time, and you know like he does both. He balances his work and his life, and you know everything is just in tandem.
इतनी प्यारी क्यों है,
I
इसका भी
think
तो रिप्लाई दे.
Nice, Jigar. Listen now. What's the age difference in both of you, and when and where did you guys meet for the first time, and how was this bond created? We already spoke when and where we met. We met on Instagram. And
Yeah.
what's the age difference? What's your age?
10 years का एज डिफरेंस है हम लोग का.
Basically, he's 10 years older than me. Guys, he is 20. He'll turn 26 in November.
So I'm
November
still
16th.
25 and she's 27 right now.
No, I am no.
Sorry, 28 ना, you're already 28.
Wait.
You'll turn.
He is 25 and he's turning 26 in November this year. I am 27 and I'm turning 28 in September.
Stress आ गया वो.
So we are like 2 years apart. That's it.
That's it. 2 years is a very big gap. आज के जनरेशन में नहीं लग रहा है?
People have like 12, 15 years of gap also.
कौन?
So what do you want to be the same age? And go
मतलब-
look for someone.
No, I mean like I'm
go
saying.
look for someone. And what's your problem if we have 2 years ka gap? We are friends, right?
And firstly, you said go look for someone else.
No, so why did you have 2 years?
Why?
ka
I mean,
difference?
why?
Why did you have
Why
2
is
years
this
ka
couple
difference?
not uncoupling?
Why
Right?
did you have 2 years ka issue difference?
I'm
Thodi
saying
they're
like
together.
no, I'm saying like
हाँ,
ideally
हाँ,
like to
हाँ.
match my mental this thing, you know, it's better. Otherwise you'll remorse. एक we were just like in some argument. In between that, all of that, इसने कुछ तो मेरे को बोला कि
You
अगर-
have no remorse.
अभी ऐसे सब इसमें आदमी पहले vocab पे ध्यान देगा कि खुद के sentiments पे ध्यान देगा. मैंने वर्ड पे ध्यान दिया.
He's
इसने रिमोर्स
cute.
जैसे बोला मैंने
He's
फटाक से
cute.
गूगल किया और मुझे पता था कि वही है. I was just wanted to be थोड़ा sure. But that's
Okay.
it.
Are you really dating? Please confirm.
प्लीज यार एक बार का बता दे
तू
फिर
बोल
खत्म हो
ना,
जाना
तू
यार.
बोल
YouTube
ना.
video, that's the point of making
You
ना bro.
say na, tell na. I think it's time you should tell them. What do you think?
Yeah. Today I'm gonna confess that me and Astha Shah are together since 3 years and she is an amazing friend of mine and I would love to keep this friendship forever.
Your ring
Mic
was
drop.
hurting. Your ring was hurting. Okay, next question, guys.
अलग है देख. व्हाट्स योर वेट तेरे को पूछा Astha. से तेरे को ही पूछा है ये, मेरे को थोड़ी पूछा कि जिगर का वेट बता.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
बोलो.
I stay in India.
तू लोकेशन भेज देगी तो पब्लिक के ट्रैप कर लेगा क्या तेरा लोकेशन?
I stay in Mumbai, guys. I'm from Mumbai. Dude, people think I don't stay in Mumbai. Someone message, please up India aa jao. Because I put like New Zealand and New York ka content itna.
But that's her thing. Like wherever she goes, she'll just shoot like
What's your
almost
weight?
3 महीने का कंटेंट और फिर इंडिया में आके ये स्विट्जरलैंड का डालती है तो ये समझता नहीं लोगों को.
Okay, next question. Best duo ever felt? Thank you. Ever felt?
Thank you.
Ever felt a little awkward while shooting couple videos together since we're not a couple?
I don't think so. Like I'm a person, I can gel with anyone. I can create that bond with anyone. And like my chemistry, I am good at it. Like I think I'm good at it. I don't know about you.
You're trying to say your chemistry is like this with all girls?
Hmm?
Your chemistry is like this with all girls?
Might be not. Like that depends on person to person. Like if my viewer is actually loving me and my work, they'll find like good chemistry with even like with anyone. XYZ. है ना कि नहीं?
So you would make couple and couple videos with anyone?
Like such videos?
Yeah.
No. This is the segment that we have made not together. Yeah, exclusivity, IP. It's called intellectual property. That was I'm very intellectual, guys. You might be thinking I'm dumb, but I'm not.
Don't think it's awkward creating any kind of videos because it's not that we create some intimate
Yeah.
couple videos. They are chill, they are fun, and
ऐसा
they are
हम तो वही
just
करते हैं हम लोग.
like our daily lives, what we chill, do, and everything. So I don't think it's a problem.
Yeah.
Can you include Christopher Nolan?
Can you include Christopher Nolan? Are you sure? Call Nolan को call.
Have you guys had Maggie together?
I think now this Q&A is becoming little unnecessary. I thought people will ask like such serious questions that where do you look yourself 5 years down the line? ये सब मैंने तो बोला मैगी साथ में खा रहे होते हैं.
Yeah, have you-
आजकल सभी वेले हो गए मेरे को लग रहा है. Why you so gorgeous? Why?
No, wait. This is my question.
Okay.
If there's an air hostess in a flight and she asked you, would you like a snack? What would you say? And you're alone, huh? I'm not with you.
Regardless, yeah, air hostess है तो वो मेरे को पूछेगी तो मैं हाँ बोलूँगा. Would you?
Wrong question, wrong answer. Right question, wrong answer.
नहीं वो काम कर रही है अगर मेरे सीट पे आएगी if I've already paid for that particular meal.
Why? I am your snack. You should have just been like, my snack was left in Bombay.
नहीं.
And why were you alone in the flight? Firstly, first question. Wrong answer.
तू पागल है क्या थोड़ी कि अकेला मैं फ्लाइट में नहीं जाता हूँ.
Nobody.
तू यूएस क्यों गई है? तू दुबई क्यों गई है?
What should your answer
क्यों?
be?
Why?
What should
Your
your-
snack was getting dried up here, right?
What should your answer be? Okay, my snack was left in Bombay. I don't need a snack.
Okay, मैं उसको बोल दूंगा ये जैसे तूने मेरे को बोला मैं बोल दूंगा I don't need a snack. चल.
My snack.
रुक मैं भी बीच में ऐसा मेरा भी पूछेगा. ये थोड़ा आगे चले गए हम. थोड़ा पीछे दे 1 2 3.
But you can what? This man is here with a question mark. He is my daddy.
ये सब बहुत गलत हो रहा है.
He is my brother from another mother. Was there a plan to ever propose to each other, or are you both just meant to stay as real partner only? That life will tell us. But for now, we're only real partners, guys.
Yes, sir.
Who is more dramatic off screen?
Because on screen मैं ज्यादा डालता हूँ नहीं.
He is like another girl off screen and he's so irritating. One thing, if he asks if it's looking nice, if I'll say yes, he'll ask me 5,000 times. Patka, pakka na, pakka na.
पटका हो गया.
Pakka na. See, again, now he's checking his hair, thinking that he's looking bad when he's looking good only.
Guys, the thing is, I've never kept like this kind of heavy beard. So for me, firstly, तो it's irritating. मेरे को कब से खुजली आ रहा है. And मेरे को लग रहा है मैं बहुत ऐसा वो देख रहा हूँ. क्या बोलता है?
You believe in possibilities and destinations. If yes, then what took you to where you are? Yes, I believe in possibilities and destinations
of
and
course,
goals.
of course.
If I wouldn't have taken that step to leave my job and start content creation, I wouldn't be where I am today. And if he wouldn't decide to follow his passion, which is dance, he wouldn't be where he is today. What do you think?
Completely
Sorry for
right.
answering
No,
that.
it's complete copy paste. Kharak.
Will each of you go to the female or male strippers club together to see your reactions?
I wouldn't mind.
But we've gone together
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
actually.
मैंने मेरा पर्सनल आंसर दे दिया क्या कि वुड आई गो टू अ स्ट्रिप क्लब.
Red flag.
उसका नो बोल रहा हूँ. टुगेदर के लिए we'll go.
When will we get a sponsored video?
Oh, bro, I think we have manifested. Manifest. ऐसे नीचे चला गया. No, but we have manifested this like since the time we have started our channel. That एक जो first sponsor है, and I think for them to we'll do something very cool.
And we are
Very
close
cool.
to hitting 10k, guys. We are like 9k something. It's a small win, but
It's
it's
a small win. Oh, बिल्ला बग्गे बिल्ला दा की करांगे बग्गे बग्गे बिल्ला दा की करांगी. ये झाटू कौन है तुम्हारे साथ में है? ओ भाई आपको बोल रहा है.
what embarrassing things your partner has done till now? Wow, most weirdest things about each other. that he's very unorganized. It's not weird, but it's
and मेरा
irritating.
यही आंसर था कि मैंने फर्स्ट जो आंसर दिया, शी इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर, शी इज वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, बट एट टाइम्स शी इज ओसीडी इतना ज्यादा कर देती है कि सामने वाला का दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. मतलब दैट्स टू इरिटेटिंग आफ्टर अ पॉइंट. Bro, I need to tell you this. I know for a fact what is the most embarrassing thing that she does always. Okay, so मेरी क्या आदत है, like if I'm going somewhere, I can't come home and talk about that situation, right? Like अगर मेरा यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है, if I just want to tell her, even if it's like a small gossip, I'll just tell her that, you know, like ऐसा ऐसा वो लोग कर रहे हैं, ऐसा ऐसा कर रहे हैं. और इसकी इतनी ये बकवास आदत है जो मुझे इरिटेट करती है गाइस. मैंने अगर समझो इसको बुला के सुन देखना उन्होंने कैसा पहना है, तो ये क्या करे, कौन कौन पहना, इसने ना मेन वर्ड से जानबूझ के बोल देगी और सामने वाला देख ही लेगा कि मैं उसकी बात कर
But
रहा हूँ.
guys, how does he say? You don't understand what he's saying.
अगर
Why to say
सुनो सुनो
right
सुनो,
now?
अगर सेन ऐसा एक बार मेरा पार्टी में भी हुआ है, लाइक कोई तो सामने आया है, मेरे को उनका नाम पता नहीं है, ठीक है. सो उसने मेरे को ये बोला हाय हाय, इसने सामने से बोला कि डू यू रिमेम्बर हिम, तो मैंने बोला हाँ या, तो बोलती है बोल नाम. मैंने बोला तू पागल है क्या.
There are random contacts in us saved as A B B B B B B D D D D D D कुछ भी. That's my name.
आस्था. No, my snack is in Mumbai. Go.
I actually remember one more embarrassing thing. Remember once Jigar always gets caught for, you know, like not wearing a seat belt.
ये है ना, ये इरिटेटिंग पार्ट है ना, जो इतना ओसीडी. इसको क्या लगता है कि जैसे प्रिंसिपल है वैसे ही चलना चाहिए, लॉज के हिसाब से चलने चाहिए, ठीक है. बट यू ऑलवेज हैव टू वेयर सीट बेल्ट. मैंने एक बार नहीं पहना था भूल से, और इसने भी नहीं पहना, ठीक है. उसने मेरे को पांडू ने पकड़ा. हम लाइक जो भी है काका अभी सोड़ा वोड़ा जो भी बात कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद है ना इसको पता नहीं अंदर से क्या रेज आ
No,
गया.
wait, 1 second. We got out of the car and then he pushed Jigar.
No, he didn't push me.
He did this. So
उसने-
whatever, I
मैं
didn't
उनको-
like it.
तो मैंने उसको पहले क्या बोला, काका सोड़ा ना, तो उसने बोला ए ऐसा ना को. उसने मेरे को पुश वुश नहीं किया, कुछ ऐसा झगड़े टाइप नहीं हो
नहीं
गया.
वैसे ही हुआ. Okay, I got irritated. Okay, and then honestly was charging him extra money for no reason for like a lot of 100 things. So I
तो वहां से ना एक आदमी जा रहा था ऐसे मेरे सामने से, जिसने
गाड़ी
सीट बेल्ट नहीं
में।
बना था, तो इसको बीच में से वो मेरे को कुछ बोल रहा है. मेरा सेटलमेंट हो गया ऑलमोस्ट, समझ रहे हो, सब छोड़ रहा है मेरे को. उसके बाद बीच में से उसको पकड़ो ना, उसने भी सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहना. तो उसने बोला मैं क्या ही मैन हूँ क्या, उसने इतना जोर से बोला. एंड दैट गाय हैज चार्ज्ड, आई थिंक उसने फाइन मेरे को 5,000 का फाइन लगा. आई एम नॉट इवन
not
किडिंग,
because of me, because you.
बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड योर
I tell the truth to everyone.
ट्रूथ बता दे, उसमें कुछ नहीं है, बता दे सीट बेल्ट नहीं पहना.
Insurance, PUC, everything is expired of his car. Okay, so that's why he charged you
वो
5K.
पहले वाली जो कार थी उसका था. अभी लाइक माय BMW, लाइक इट्स ऑल क्लीन.
Who is more adventurous and who is more fattu? I'm more
Of course.
adventurous and he's more
Hey,
fattu.
bye,
You
bye,
are
bye.
fattu, Jigar. Would you do skydiving?
I've already done skydiving.
Would you stay in the dark?
Of course I have not.
Of course, of not.
I haven't. डार्क वाला एडवेंचर
He's a
नहीं है.
fattu guys for everything. कुछ भी होता है ना बाजू में, he's like bro देखना, वो भी देख रहा है अभी, वो देखना वो नहीं कर सकते अभी, ये क्या.
वो वाला फट्टू अलग रहता है.
You
आस्था,
are
ये
a
वाला
fattu.
एडवेंचरस और
No,
फट्टू
you
कैसा
don't
है.
know. I am more this thing. I am more bindas. Anyhow, Jigar, you have to say. Who is more caring and protective amongst both of you? Jigar. Who will you go on a date with, Aryan, Aman or Jigar?
Aman, I
Aman,
think.
yeah.
Yeah. Even I think Aman. Aman, if you're watching this video, I love you,
Magic
brother.
man. So cute. Who roasts more and who can't handle it? He roasts more and I can't handle it.
Yeah, she can't. She
You
can't.
roast full time, Jigar.
But that's like my love language.
Yeah, but why love language for what? Friends, right? Friends roast
Yeah,
each
as
other.
a friend also. Yeah, it's fine.
Who takes longer to get
एक
ready?
मिनट, इतना.
Who takes longer to get ready? Don't even answer this question.
Okay, fine. I'm
Guys,
not
he
answering.
takes 2 hours to get ready, shower 1 hour, and then he will change 5,000 clothes and mess the whole room up, and then his mom has to clean everything. He is like that. And
Yes,
I get
obviously.
ready even with hair, makeup, clothes, everything. Being a girl, I get
I
ready.
get brands.
I get ready before him.
मेरे को टाइम लगता है because I like everything to be perfect.
No, because he likes taking bath in the hot shower, you know, for like an hour and just like enjoy the entire steaming hot water coming from the shower.
अरे सब लोग ने शादी कब कर रहे हो, शादी कब कर रहे हो, यही सीजन चल.
Have you ever had a silly fight and didn't talk for hours? What was it about? Yeah, many times.
अभी 2 घंटे पहले.
नहीं,
अभी
we-
बात चालू की और
we
अभी
keep
हम लोग
fighting and don't talk for like 5-6 days also.
But that's the best thing. No?
What was it about?
What? Small fight.
Yeah, silly fight. When I was supposed to congratulate him for something and I just wrote congratulations instead of congratulations with a heart. That's why. No, it's cute. You wanted a heart, but I didn't send the heart.
इसने ना
So
मेरा
it was
कुछ
wrong
एकदम
of
बड़ा
me.
कुछ चीज था जो मैं बहुत जल्दी उठ के
Yeah,
इसको
but
भेज
I
दिया
think
था
it was mean
तो
of
इसने
me.
ना
Even I would
इसने ना
get
wait,
pissed.
इसने कैसे भेजा ये खत्म मैंने इसको अच्छा
मैंने
भेजा
why भेजा था
why उसका
because
फर्क
it was
नहीं
8 a.m. in the morning.
कुछ
guys,
भी हो
that's why.
if she has time to reply ये she can add थोड़ा emojis also bro
Fair,
है ना
fair
that makes
point.
it थोड़ा
Fair point.
and
fair
that thing was very big for me what I shared and जिसपे इसने ये भेजा सुबह 8 बजे सोचो मैंने उठ के इसको मैसेज किया ऐसे ऐसे हुआ इसने क्या भेजा ये मैं बोला चल ये क्या
क्या?
चल 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 चल
What is that one big gift that you want to give Asta in the future? If I would be him, I know what I would answer.
don't say PS5 and all because
Myself.
ये guys बहुत low maintenance है to be very honest she's not much into like bags she doesn't like fancy cars
Oh, but the most expensive thing for me is time.
yeah fuck I forgot that yeah
Time.
yeah for her it's the time that matters सब
Jigar,
देखने के
what is
लिए
the most funniest thing that Jigar did with you, and what is the most funniest thing that Asta did with you?
I think for me funniest was one of the videos that we created like one of the brands which is a very good brand we had to recreate and उसमें उसके dialogues it was funny that like the whole setup was very funny
हाँ,
you know,
एकदम
like-
हिंदी में चाय कैसे बना लिया आपने ऐसे समथिंग लाइक दिस ना कि अब चाय भी सीख लिया आपने चाय भी बनाना सीख लिया समथिंग वाज वेरी फनी डू लाइक
बहुत funny
फुली
था.
लाइक
Yeah,
डिफरेंट फ्रॉम
yeah,
आवर
yeah.
पर्सनालिटी एंड एक तो वाज दैट ना समय समय आलू डालते हो आप समोसे में वो था ना एकदम ऐसे भैया टाइप के समोसे में आलू डालते हो क्या हमें नहीं जमता है ये सब योर फर्स्ट वीडियो टुगेदर इट वाज दैट आंखों में डूब जाने को one word to describe each other. This is the last question.
For Asta, I would say a complete package. को मत गिनना like it's basically complete package because she can do anything and everything. I feel genuinely I'm saying she's good at everything, guys. ये street smart भी है मतलब ऐसे दिखती है ऐसा foreigner जैसे और ऐसा नहीं है कि पागल बना के कोई चला जाएगा मतलब इससे आप 2 रुपया भी पागल का नहीं छीन सकते समझ रहे हो? She's smart that way. She's very intellectual at the same time. She's good like with her words.
How sweet one word का so many
And
words.
so
cute.
that's the thing about her.
I don't have a word, but one thing is just that he's always there for you when you need him. Like I mentioned before, like I remember few like shoots and stuff. Also, you know, if I've like ever needed
उसको
him to
spot
come,
boy बोलते हैं.
no, if I've ever needed him to come and help me in anything, he's always there and he's very caring. I think caring is a very and he just puts everything together. Like I feel, like you know, if there's a puzzle, he just fix the whole puzzle. Like he'll be the main piece, you know.
Good one. Nice that you thought of something at least.
That gets us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for asking us such questions. We're behaving like Japanese. Thank you for asking us such questions.
Chalo guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to
Kapal on Kapal.